I'm very, very experienced. I've only flipped 8 times. No problem. All right, you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
And 3 will be Sister Ship Spirit. On lane 4, Breast Transgender.
Are you ready? Good luck.
We practiced on Friday already.
All right, all right. Okay, thank you.
All right, when we go out there, we're going to do some practice. We're going to do some practice starts and so forth, right? And I believe the practice start that was taught to your team was a 6-10, right? So the first 6 strokes is nice long strokes, get the boat out of the water, and then you transition into faster 10 strokes to build that speed. Guys, this is a 6-10, 6 long strokes. And then when I say long, I mean you come way out here, you grab all the water, and you use your back, and you pull back all the way. Right? Nice long strokes, they're really slow, right? And then you transition up into higher strokes. Boom. You go 10 fast ones, right? When I say fast ones, it's faster, not shorter. Yeah, and it's a little bit shorter.
Default, though, they have to start 6 boats behind everybody.
Don't forget the paddle, honey.
Go for it.
Team Yellow.
Those things.
Steve Taylor, the Alberta Party. Tsutsima Nation, Bearspaw Nation. Let's give it up for them.
Yeah, if you're not loading the boat, please remember your teammates and hold it. Watch your fingers.
All right.
So, and once I push this boat out, okay, I'm gonna do a balance check. Okay, so I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. Everybody lean out of the boat, and I want to see how the boat is balanced. I might have to switch some people around if it's not too balanced. Okay, safety first.
What a
Don't worry, Sean, we got your picture. No problem.
Left side of the boat is on.
Shoot those things.
Left side. Have fun.
Good luck, guys.
Go blue team. That is raw power if ever I saw it.
Up high.
Balance check. 1, 2, 3. Lean out. Lean out. Everybody lean out. Okay. 4. Okay, pretty good. Close enough. All right. Okay, paddles up. Oh, sorry, like take it forward. Take it away. Paddling.
Hey, drum. The drum.
Oil machine. Woo! 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 Woo!
Okay, they're off. Let's hear it for them. You got the Red Cross in lane 1. You got the government in lane 2. You got the volunteers in lane 3. And you got Dave Taylor in the opposition and the nation, Tsutsima and Bearspaw in lane 4. Government, slight lead, opposition, pick it up.
Oh, that's a great caterpillar. I haven't done that good for like ever. That's a great caterpillar.
Government's coming through, followed by the Red Cross, followed by the opposition, followed by the volunteers, who I think are just pulling it back a bit.
All right.
Good job.
Good job.
That's right, we can hear you singing.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Come on, you guys won!
Yeah.
Good job.
Paparazzi's phone.
Good job, Teresa.
Oh, thank you.
Good job,
Thank you
good job,
very much.
good job.
It was fun.
Congratulations.
Everyone worked hard.
Congratulations. Yeah, right. Congratulations, Terry.
Yes.
Good job.
Way to go.
You guys won. Went by a good length. Yeah. Good. Thanks.
All right, smile.
It's not a Mercedes.
Oh no.
Well, you guys do the was it a lot of fun for you, Michelle? Did you expect to win?
I didn't think we were going to win. But
All right, good stuff. Good race.
You're in front, you leader. Yeah. No, yeah.
That was good. You were in it.
Good job.
Thank you. It was fun. It was fun.
I just moved out.
Did you have fun with the race, Ray?
Huh?
Did you have fun with the race?
Yes, of course.
Do you expect to win?
Well, of course.
Of course.